Hey everyone, again we're still doing exercise 6.1 on chapter 6. Why did I say that? 6.1, of course it implies we're doing exercise chapter 6. Okay. Let me see. Oh, we're doing exercise 6.1, and I cannot stand reading this thing over and over again. Please pause the video, read it yourself, and then come back to it. In case we're looking for the textbook we're working on, this is it right here. Okay. Let me zoom in a little bit so everyone is clear what's going on. Okay. So basically want to display pentagonal numbers, okay, for numbers starting from 1 up to 100. I've already given out a solution before, guys, and this is it right here, okay. However, what I want to do, I thought it would be better for me to simply modify the existing code as opposed to starting over, okay. Because I don't want to make my stuff seem repetitive, okay. Of course we could have used the for loop here. In fact, a for loop would be a better choice, but then I don't want to emphasize on that. We've been through loops, okay. Here's what I want to do. Methods work just like any other part of your code. You can replace a variable with the expression, okay, and then up here again we can get rid of what I was saying is, again, you can get rid of that if you want to. And then put that over there, and then the very same thing over there. However, there's something that I want to point out here. In fact, I did this on purpose so that I can point out this right here, okay. Remember, folks, I said you can replace your variable with a call to a method, just like we just did, okay. Before we had a variable to hold the returned value from a method, but right now we no longer have that variable. We replaced it with the method call, okay. I want you guys to notice something here. Before we only called our method once, but right now we're calling it twice. And the takeaway here is, in fact, it is the main advantage of using methods. You can invoke your method tons of times. It is entirely up to you. Whenever you want to use that portion of code, you can simply invoke that method, as opposed to having to write this expression just like this, as opposed to having to write that expression up there and then right here. You see, even though this might work, but it can be cumbersome if you have a huge application or rather project you're working on. So I just thought you guys need to know that. But you know what, here's what I'll do. I'll simply display this so that you guys can see what do I mean. Okay, you see, it seems like we still have a working solution, even though we replaced two variables, the one we had within this loop here and the one that we had inside this get pentagonal number method. Okay, that should be it for this tutorial, you guys. I'll see you on the next one.